Respected teachers and my dear friends, first to the million-dollar question. Why should we all be thinking about ecosystem restoration? Just look around you. Global warming, climate change, pollution, environmental degradation, all these have become household terms. Even a 6-year-old boy can recognize these terms as referring to our degrading environment. And that, my friends, is the reason why the theme of this year's Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. Because now the effect of that very term has peaked, and as you might have already guessed, it is because of the ongoing pandemic. COVID-19, a mere virus, has put the world on a standstill. And that's not all. Within this year, we have experienced multiple natural calamities like Nisarga, Amphan, Taute, etc. along with changing rainfall patterns and extreme heat. Earlier, it was only fictitious about how humans would have to pay to buy oxygen. But as this deadly pandemic continues, we can see this dreaded situation come to life. But now, we need a solution. And that solution has been given by a great person who died only a week ago. And that person is Chipko movement leader Sundarlal Bahuguna. In 1987, when Mr. Bahuguna was awarded the Padma Shri, he refused it, saying, "If awarding me is what you intend to do, then there is an award that I want instead." He said, "Please pass a bill forbidding cutting down of the Himalayan trees." This was the same man who led the Chipko movement. He urged people to embrace the trees because ecology is permanent economy. During these tough times that we are facing, we should follow the path of great men like Sundarlal Bahuguna, because only then can we save our future. We have heard of rivers being rejuvenated by simply planting insect-attracting plants on the banks and thus attracting other living organisms. We can save many natural ecosystems by just following eco-friendly tourism. We can save our forests, coral reefs and hill stations by simply not touching its natural beauty and encouraging tourists to keep the places clean. And on the smaller scale, we can always refrain from littering our surroundings and follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. It's now or never for humanity. Let's play our part in saving the world. It's not the Avengers who are the Earth's mightiest heroes. It's us, the ones who care about the planet and the ones who want to see it prosper. So, let's follow sustainable development, because we are the products of our past, but we don't have to be the prisoners of it. Thank you.